on a lesson, guys. So I have 3 things left to do for today, guys. One thing is to show one post. So when I press the button read, it have to go to some page and only to show me the one post. Yeah, it have to show me only one post. Okay. So this is read. The second one we will do is edit the post that I created. So I can edit, redact here, edit. Okay. And the third one is just delete the post, delete. So let's start from the read, guys. How this read should work, guys. Before I press the read, guys, I have to go to a start bootstrap page again. Yeah, the page where I downloaded the template. Yeah, and here I have the second template, guys, to see only one post. Welcome. Here I have the second template, guys, for one post, to see only one post. Okay, the template. So I'll take this one. GoDaddy. Yeah, download. Take it. Press it here. Okay, and let me put it here to the Sublime now. So guys, here I have the same, guys, I have the same, this is for reading one post, okay, with the comments and etc. You see, but the header is the same. I have this navigation, yeah, upside, and above I have the same navigation, and I have the same aside, you see, that aside with the search, with the category, etc. So normally I can take the same code from index.php, the same, because there I just divide it into nav, into aside, yeah. I'll take the code from index.php and I'll just change only this part. Is it clear? So I will create a new file. I'll save it as one post.php, guys. Okay, one post.php file. One post.php. Please don't talk, Yasmina. Then I will do what? I'll take a code from index.php. Yeah, this is code from index.php. I'll pass to one post.php. Okay. I need checkouts because guys cannot enter to one post even without authentication. Okay. Connect PHP. Do I need the categories here? Yes, to show it here, guys. To show it here. Okay. So I need the categories also, but this thing I don't need category ID, guys. This is only for index.php. Is it clear? This is only for index.php. And what should I? This should be one post page. One post page. Okay. One post PHP. And here I have to delete the all posts, guys. All posts. I have to delete the posts that it shows. And pagination also I will remove. I don't need pagination, guys, because here I have only one post. I will read also pagination. And I think, yeah, that's all. I think that's all. Let's see. Let's go to one post PHP and see if I removed right elements. Yeah, one post PHP. Yeah, guys, you see, this is empty now. So here I will put the design, the HTML code from that template, yeah, that I downloaded now. I'll go there. So let me see. Normally I should put something inside call LG8, yeah, inside call LG8. So let me find the call LG8 here, this one, and this is post content. Okay, you see, article, also comments. Let's take the comments also, guys. Commentaries for the future. Okay, section. Okay, let me take this section and I'll put it to my one post page. Okay, so I'll put the section here. Okay, so I pass it. Let me see. Yeah, you see, now I have this design inside my one post PHP. Yeah. Then I have to do what, guys? When you come to this one post PHP, guys, also, let me show it here. When you go to one post PHP, guys, to this page, normally, let's assume that you came to this page, yeah, to one post PHP. How does this one post PHP knows what post to show? You enter this one post PHP. How does it know what post to show? It must show only one post, yeah. It means again I have to pass an ID here. Okay, like post ID, and I have to pass some ID of the post. Okay, because if I don't pass ID, this page, this one post PHP doesn't know what post to show. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? So it means what? It means I have to take this URL, yeah, take this URL and pass it where, guys? Pass it where? Here in into the read hrefs, into href of the read, of each read, guys. Okay, of each read. Is it clear, guys? So when I press read, the URL should look like one post PHP, post ID equal to something. Okay, is it clear? Other guys? Other guys? You clear for you? Yeah. Really? Yeah. For you, but not for you. Yeah. Okay. When I ask the guys, they are all like looking for somebody, guys. So I need to take it and we have to pass it into index PHP into read, guys. Yeah. So I'll go to index PHP and where the read here, you guys. Yeah. For each read, for each post, guys, I have a read button, and into href I have to pass what? Go to one post PHP with the post ID equal to, and I'll copy this one and pass post ID here. Is it clear? Yeah. So then it means what? It means inside one post PHP I need to catch this get parameter. Okay. Sorry, not content. This should be what? ID of the post. Yeah. This post ID. Sorry. Can you see, guys? Let me make it bigger. Yeah. Go to one post PHP and post ID should be equal to ID of this post. Okay, of the current post that I'm running through, guys, inside for each. Yeah, guys. So it means inside one post PHP, guys, I need to catch this get parameter. Catch this parameter post ID and find the post with this ID from the connect PHP. Okay, like call the function to find a post. So I go to one post PHP, guys. In the above, I have to do what? I have to say post ID variable equal to take post ID. I mean get from the get parameter, take the post ID, or it should be empty. Then I say again, you check here everything. Like if it's empty, not empty, you have to check everything. Okay, but I will not. So then I'll say if I have this post ID, I'll do what? I'll say post one post. Okay, one post is equal to, I have again ready method from connect PHP. It's called get one post. When you call get one post, guys, you have to give the ID of the post. Okay. Okay. This is method from connect PHP. Let me show you. This one, guys. Get one post. You pass the post ID. It will just select all from post where ID is equal to your post ID. Is it clear? So it finds a post from with your post ID. Okay. But instead of fetch all, I just use fetch because this is one post only, one post. So it will give me a post, guys. It will give me a post. So I will do what? Where's my one post PHP? I'll take this post and I will do what with this post? I have to place the. Here's what? Welcome to blog post. I think this is a title, yeah, guys. I think this is the title. So let me put title here. This post title I have to put here, yeah, guys. Yeah. Post title here goes. Here goes, guys. I think that some date I can put here. Date, guys. Yeah? Created at, yeah. Created at of this post. Is it clear? So these things you let's leave this. This is just another thing. So here inside the section I'll put the content. You see, this is like the content of your post. So I'll put here content. Okay, guys. Okay. Then also you can put the back button, but I don't need. You can put it. So if I go and read the Nurbulat's news, I'm reading Nurbulat and the content of Nurbulat. Okay. Then I go back. I read the Merword news. So Merword content. Okay, guys. And also the date of created that. Okay. Is clear now?
How we can get some comments? We need to pass the comments, right? And after that, it shows us the comments inside of this.
Yeah, we will come to this next lesson. Let's do edit now. Is it clear with the read more? Yeah, just we pass ID and it takes the post with this ID and shows. Okay. Let's do edit now. So we have to pass one more button near the read button. Yeah. So let me go to index PHP. I have this read button, guys, and I'll pass one more button, one more href. If you with Bootstrap, guys, if you create a href but you give a class btn, it will look like button, but it's a href, guys. So this is a href, not button, but it has a class btn. That's why it's like looks like button. Btn is a class from Bootstrap. Yeah, is it clear? A href looks like button. What should I write here? I should write here edit. Yeah, edit this post. Okay, edit this post, and when I press it, it should go to some edit post form PHP, guys. We should have a form like create but edit. But what's the difference between create and edit? Let me show. If I press edit here, yeah, I have edit now. Let's make a different color, guys. Not primary. Let's info, for example. Okay, so it should be quite another color. Okay, so if I press edit here, Arjan, if I press edit here, what should happen, guys? If this is Nurbulat news, yeah, Nurbulat news. If I press edit here with the Nurbulat news, it should show me some form, but the form should not be empty, guys. It should have some content of Nurbulat's news. Okay. Also, the category should be chosen here, the Nurbulat's category. So when I press edit for Nurbulat, I should see this thing, because I want to edit the existing content. Okay, I want to edit something, so it must show me everything like Nurbulat's content. Okay. So what I can do, I can change only one thing, or I can change like many things. I can change his category. So I can put this post into another category. And when I press update, not create here, should be update. When I press update, this should be updated in Nurbulat's news. Is it clear how it should look like? Yeah. But guys, how this page again? How this? Let's assume that this is edit post form page. Edit post form page. How this page knows what news to show here? What news to show? Again, I have to give the ID again. Like in read more, I have to give the ID, and it takes this ID, finds the post with this ID, and puts the content of this post here inside the inputs. Okay, is it clear? Clear? Also, guys, I have Russian and Kazakh content videos. You can look, yeah, if it's difficult for to see in English, guys. You can ask me, I can give the links. Okay. So I will go to edit post form PHP, and also I have to give the post ID again, guys, because this page should know what post to edit now, what post I'm going to edit, okay, to put the content of this post. So let's create this edit post form PHP. Okay, new file, save, edit post form PHP, and I'll take the same design from create post form PHP. Yeah, it will look the same, but it will have a content inside inputs. So I'll create post form PHP, take this one, pass it here, guys, into edit post form PHP. But in edit post PHP, I said that we're giving a parameter post ID. Yeah? So know what post we're going to edit. It means, again, I will do what? Again, I will take post ID from get parameter. Yeah, is it correct, guys? So only 5 to 6 guys are listening, others are sleeping. I will do what? Post ID or empty, guys. Yeah. Or empty. Then what? If I have this post ID, again, you have to check if, of course, everything. I would just say, if I have this post ID, again, I will take this post. Yeah. The same method I always use, guys. Yeah. Get one post. The same method that I use for read more. Yeah. Okay. With the post ID, guys. Yeah. Is it clear? So I'm taking this post, and the content of this post I have to put into what? Into these inputs, input, text array, and etc. Yeah. So I'll take what? This post title should be here, but also I will add here value, guys. So I have to put value inside input, so it has a value right from the beginning, like when I enter the page. So value should be yeah, Rustem. Post what? This post's title, yeah, guys. Is it clear? So you can see now, if I go back, if I enter, for example, Arujan's news, yeah, edit Arujan, it has Arujan ready here. Okay. So also I have to pass the content, yeah. But this is text array. In text array, guys, you don't use value here. You just pass between this opening closing text array. Okay. You'll press content here. Let me see. Go back. See edit mirrored page, mirrored, and the content also here. Okay. And also we should do so the category is selected. The category of this news is selected. This post. How we can make it? When we run with these categories, guys, okay, when we run with these categories, so let me explain first here, guys, so you're not confused, okay? Like you're not. Let me remove all the things that I don't need now. This thing, yeah. So now you have input options here. You have options like with the IDs and with some names here, like sport, yeah, sport. Like you have options with the IDs, sport, I don't know, the music, IT, industry, and art, and etc. We have these categories now, yeah. But you have a post, yeah. You have a post that you are editing now, yeah. You have a post that you are editing, and this post is equal to what? Some title goes here, some title like mirror, yeah, for example, okay. Some content we have here, some and we have also what? Category ID. We have category ID, guys, which is equal to, for example, mirror post is in category ID what? 3, yeah, guys. It's IT industry. So let me just say category ID is equal to 3, guys. Okay, let's say. So for post mirror, the category ID is 3. So what we should do when we run when we iterate over the categories, if we meet the ID which is the same, yeah, if we meet the ID which is the same as this post category ID, okay, this post category ID is 3, so we meet the same ID here. What we have to do, we have to put here selected, guys. So this option is selected automatically, okay. This is HTML, guys. If you put selected into some option, this will be selected in the beginning, okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? So we'll be running checking, like if it's equal to category ID of this post, no. If it's ready for category of ID of this post, etc. Okay. So I have to do what? I have to go to edit now, and now I'm running through the categories, and here for some of them, for one of them, I have to put only selected here, okay? Selected to one of them, which has the same ID as my category ID. Is it clear? So what I do, I open PHP, guys. Close the PHP, and I do what? I can select something like this. Echo, guys. Echo, check the condition. You know ternary operator? Ternary operator. Like, I can do something like this. Echo, check the condition. Like, if the current category ID is the same as my posts category ID, you know. If I found the ID, if I found the category with the ID as the same as my posts category ID, I put the question mark. This is ternary operator. I will do what? Selected. Otherwise, I will do else. I will do empty. It will do what? It will echo. It will wait what to show. Yeah, what to do echo. If this is true, it will echo selected. If this is false, it will echo empty. Is it clear? Ternary operator, you remember, no? Yes. We have this ternary operator in almost each language, in each programming language. So let me copy this one, guys. Yeah, is it clear, guys? Now, so I copy this and pass it here. Okay, pass it here. Okay, pass. So I'm saying what? If I'm running through the categories, if I found category with the ID the same as my post category ID, I will do echo selected. For other cases, I will do echo just empty. Is it clear?
Do we have any variables on selected?
What? What?
I didn't get it why it's selected.
Why it's selected?
Yeah.
If you put selected, it will be. I'll show you. For example, if I go to mirror, it's what? IT, yeah? Yeah. It will just put IT industry. Selected means just to select it.
Like a default.
No. For options, it's selected, guys. It's from HTML. This is from HTML. For option, you have to put selected to make it selected. Okay? Not default. Not default. Selected. This is HTML thing. Even not PHP, not CSS. This is HTML thing. Okay? So, is it clear, guys? So if I go to another, this is a mirror. This is from IT industry. This post. If I go to Arujan, she's from art. You see? So it's already selected. And now what, guys? Now I can change something. I can change only title, or I can change two things, or I can change even the category. And when I press update, there should be update, not create, guys. Let me change to update. When I press update, it should be updated. This post should be updated with some new values. Okay? Is it clear?
We should connect the database.
Yeah, of course. We have to make update, set, where. and etc.
Can
So
you say this the function?
instead of create, let me say update this. Huh?
Can you say
I have all functions. I'll show you now, guys. Don't worry. But one thing, guys, I will send these changes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, listen here. The main point. Let's focus. Я все-таки проснулись. О, да, сейчас самое интересное. Уже 2 часа сидим. I changed something here, and let's say I changed the category ID.
Yeah.
I'm sending this information to database. Yeah. These 3 things. Yeah. Title, content, and category ID. And in database, I should do what? Update title set to this value, content set to this value, category ID set to this value. Then we have to say what? Where ID is equal to something.
Yeah.
I have to update it by ID. I have to say change title, content, and category ID where post ID is equal to something. If I don't say where ID is equal to something, it does know what post to change, what post to update, guys. Could I explain? For you, yes. For Mirror, no. Когда вы что-то обновляете, вы должны сказать, обнови это, где ID равно вот этому. You have to say update title, content, category ID, where, update where, which post to update, where ID is equal to something. But here we're not giving the ID of the post. We only give the title, content, and category ID. But also we should give the ID of the post so he knows which post to update, guys. How to give the ID? We have to also submit the ID. Not only these 3, also we have to give submit the ID of this post. But the ID of the post not should be like select, guys. Select the ID of this post. No. You cannot select the ID of this post because this is the post I'm editing. I'm not editing another post, okay? So how we can give the ID so the user cannot change it? The ID of this post, but user should not change it, okay? We should give the ID of this special post, Arujan's post, okay? We have to give one ID. The ID that comes here, guys, like post ID, you see? How we can give the ID, submit the ID also together with this data, submit the ID, but without giving a chance for the user to change this ID. Nope, this is the first moment that we have such moment. Я сейчас засну, народ. Давайте что-нибудь говорить, а то кофе уже не помогает, народ. Сами скучно. Другие группы так сидят. Вот такие же, вот все, программистами там Google идут. А вы сидите, спите. How to give the ID, guys? ID проснулся. Oh, good morning. So, how can you give the ID without giving a chance for the user to change it? Now, let's wait. I don't know that concept.
First of all,
We can do, guys, what? You are so long, guys. I'll go to this form. Inside the form, I will create input. Type hidden, guys. It will be hidden out of the user. It will be hidden from the user, but it will go with the submission. It will submit. We will submit the ID. Можно спрятать ID, сабмитнуть, но спрятать его, чтобы юзер не выбирал. Но под форму положить, внутри формы. We can put it inside the form, but hide it from the user. Okay? We will say name, let's say name ID. We can say post ID, but ID is okay. And we should also give the value because user will not change it, okay? I mean, user not going to write it. It's hidden from the user. So we have to automatically give the value also, name and value. The value should be what? I'll take just this post ID, guys. Okay? I'll just take this post ID. So in hidden form, we're also sending the ID of the post. So the database knows which post to update. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? So we are giving to where? We're giving to not create post PHP, but to edit post PHP, okay? Let's create this file, yeah? So this file will handle my query, yeah? My query from this form, yeah? So there I will show the post array and you'll see this ID, okay? I want to show it now. Is it clear, guys? So guys, here I just want to show you this. Echo, let me do echo pre. Okay? I just want to prove you that this ID comes from, it's hidden, but it comes from form. It comes from form. So let me do print r, guys. I'll put here what? The post array, yeah? Post array. So you see what comes from the form, yeah? What comes from the form. So let's see. if I go to visit what, for example, I visit the mirror news here, edit. I change mirror 222, 222. Mirror has ID category ID 3, but I want to change it to R24. I'm changing category ID of mirror from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4. If I press update, you see, this thing I changed, this thing I changed, this thing I changed it from 3 to 4, and this also was hidden. It come to me as hidden. So this is the ID of mirrored post. Is it clear? Yeah. So I need this ID. Without this ID, if you send only these 3 data, I will say update this one, this one, this one, but where to update, which post to update. So I have to write update where the ID is equal to 2. Is it clear? Yeah. Why we're sending it as a hidden, so user cannot change it. Yeah. Okay. So what do we have to do now? Here, how to handle this form. It should be quite the same as create post here. Just I will change. Okay. Let me copy this. What we have to do again, yeah, I think we have to check for authentication. Like he cannot edit if he is not logged in. Then it's also post, but we have this title content category ID, but also we have hidden ID, guys. Also, yeah. Yeah, guys, we have ID also that comes hidden. ID of the post. Then again, I will connect to PHP. Connect PHP. Then I have a method. It's called just edit or update post. Let me see. Let me see. Connect. Go to connect. Yeah, it calls edit post. Inside edit post, guys, I'm giving the ID, title, content, category ID. I don't know why, but I give these things like status and image, saying that maybe we will change it in the future. But it's again by default these things. Okay, we're not changing them. We're changing only these 3 where ID is equal to this ID. Okay. Yeah. So here you see update post set title, content, category ID, blah, 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 where ID is equal to PID, and PID I take this ID that you pass here, guys. Is it clear? So we need to say which ID to change, which post to change. Is it clear now? So again, it will just return me false or true. If it's okay, it will return true. If it's not, so false. So let me call this function, guys, edit post. Okay. No, first I need to send the ID also, so it knows which post to change. No need to give user ID, guys. User ID you only give when you create the post. Okay, user ID is not changed. Okay, this is like author of this post. Okay, it's not changed. So if result is true, I'll again go to index PHP. Let's see. Yeah. Let's go back. Let's go again to mirrored post. Yeah, edit. You see it. Let's change it to mirrored version 2. Let's say. Okay. So here not the 2nd place, but 5th place, for example. Okay, 5th place. Not IT industry, let's say music. Okay, music. So if I update, now you see mirrored version 2, she took 5th place, and if I go to edit, now it should be music here selected, because in database it's music now, the category. Is it clear, guys? So this is how edit works. Yeah. Now the last thing, guys, is to delete. Delete. Yeah, delete. I can speak like pure English, or I can speak Indian English. Yeah, delete. What should I do, guys? Here, also I have to put a button delete after each post, guys. Yeah? Okay, after each post I have to put button delete. Okay, how I put it? But delete button should not be as a href, guys, because href it means a get. We are making a get query, like get the process. Okay, get query. But the delete is a dangerous action, like operation, guys. Delete is dangerous thing. So you can, if you just press it, it can suddenly delete it. Okay, we should make it with the post, not get request, but we should make it with post request. If you want to make it with post request, it should be inside a form, not as a href, but as a form submission. Okay, we'll make a form. We'll create a form. We'll make it as a post method. And also, second thing, guys, when he presses this button delete, also we have to ask, are you really want to delete? Okay, if maybe he just suddenly pressed this. Okay, he didn't want to delete suddenly, or some child of his child come and deleted some post. Okay, that he was writing like 2-3 days for example. Okay, guys, so we have to make it with the form. Second, we have to ask before we delete. Yes. So how to make it? let me remove all these things. Delete, delete, create. Yeah. Let's go to index PHP, guys. Where's my index PHP? Here. After edit, yeah. After edit, I should put delete, yeah. But delete should be where inside the form, guys. Okay. I should not do this kind of operations, like dangerous operations, like href, okay, as a get query. So I'm making it with the form. I'm making it method equal to what? Post. Actually, let's say delete post PHP, guys. Yeah. Okay. Delete post PHP. And inside the form, guys, I should have a button. Type submit, yeah, guys. Type submit. Let's give a class, guys. So it's quite beautiful button. Will be we have like if you don't give a class, so it will be this kind of button. Like if you just put delete here, let me put delete here. Delete, yeah. If you don't give a class, guys, it will be like this, yeah. Like the design of 2020 and design of 1998, yeah, something. So you will do what? You will give a class. Let's say btn. Let's say danger, guys. So it will be danger means the red color. Okay, but why it's why it's here not after edit, guys?
Because you didn't write button.
Ahrefs are inline things, yeah, like strochny, they are inline ahref, but form is an block element, blockchain element. You know about HTML, we have inline elements and we have block elements, yeah, strochny, blockchain. So ahrefs are strochny, they are inline, and form is block. Block elements, they love to stay alone in his in a line. Okay, you remember this? Yeah. Now I remember. Now I know. So what should we do? We have to say to this form. So we have to make this form inline element. We have to kind of like change it from block to inline element. Okay, how to change it? In a style, guys. In a style, we have to change. But you know why? What? I can have other forms in this page in index PHP. In the future, I can have other forms. Yeah, other forms, not only this form. Okay, to delete. So I want to change only this form as inline. So I will say inside card body, change the form into inline. So in the future, I can have other forms. I don't want to change other forms to inline. I want to change only this form. So I will say inside card body only. Okay, the form inside card body. So you can go to style, guys. Let me open the style here. Okay, let me open the style because this style is only for this page, only for index page. Okay, I'll say inside card body. Inside card body class, we have a form, and change this form into display inline. Okay. So if I press it, now it's okay, guys. In the future we will do it, but now let's just delete the post. Okay. In the future we'll delete only posts that we created, not other guys. Not now. Let's go step by step. Then, guys, if I press delete, what should it do? It will make us query to delete post PHP, guys. Yeah. But again, the question inside delete post PHP, how it knows which post to delete? So I have to give the ID. How I can give the ID? If it's href, guys, if it's a get query, I can give ID like here, yeah, like in the query, guys, yeah. But this is not a get query; it's post query now. It's I'm doing it with the form. So how can I pass the ID inside the form, guys? We did it before with edit, guys. You remember edit? Hidden, guys. We don't have to give chance him to select the ID of the post, okay? But we have to give it as a hidden. Okay, so when he presses this delete, we have to give the ID of this post to delete. Okay, if he presses this delete, we have to give the ID of this post, but we have to give it hidden. Is it clear? So he not chooses the ID. Is it clear, guys? So what I will do before the button, I will say input type hidden, yeah. Name, let's say ID again, and the value. The ID of this post, yeah. Let me take the ID of this post. Is it clear, guys? Let me take this one with the PHP, guys. So value should be the ID of this post. Okay. So we are submitting the form into this file, into delete post PHP, and giving ID. Okay. So this file, let's create this file, delete So guys, this is the last file, okay, I'm creating. Delete post.php. Okay. In here I'm doing what? Again, of course, guys, you have to check, like if it's a post submission, if server request method post, I'll not check, okay? I'll just take the ID, guys, from the post, because I don't have time. I'll take the ID from post. Or it's empty, guys, yeah, or it's empty, you know. Then I will do what? That's what I'm doing. I will do what? If, let me close this PHP, okay? If this ID comes here, if it's not empty, I will do what? I'll call the method. I have a method, it's called delete post. From where? From connect PHP, guys. So I have to require once common connect PHP, yeah. And inside connect PHP, I have this method, guys. Look, this is the last method, guys. Delete post. You call the delete post, and you have to give the ID of the post to remove, to delete, okay? Then you just call delete from post where ID is equal to this ID. Okay, clear? Just delete it, okay? So I have to call this method and pass the post ID. So I'll call it and pass this post ID, okay? And after, just let's go to index PHP again. But you have to go to index PHP with some message, as you know, like it's deleted successfully or not. I'll do what? Location, go to index.php, guys. Yeah, is it clear? Click clear.
We need to add some
Asking. No?
yeah, asking to
Yeah, I will add. Wait, let's wait. I will add. So if I press delete here, Nurbolat, it didn't ask me. I just deleted Nurbolat. No Nurbolat. So. But normally it should ask me, guys. Yeah. I just wanted to delete Nurbolat first without asking. Now I'll now I'll add the code where he asks, "I really want to delete." So we can make it normally with some model view. It appears the model, but I have no time. Okay, guys. Always I have no time. So I will make it with JavaScript, guys. This is the very quick version of how to ask. Okay. So inside the form, I will write, guys. Inside form here with the form tag, I will write. You know, guys, in JavaScript we have these actions like on click, but here we have to call action on submit. On submit means when we are trying to submit this form. Okay, when we're trying to submit this form, I will say return. We know we have this alert inside the. You know, we have this alert function inside JavaScript. Alert just prints the message, but with the alert we have another. We have confirm. Confirm and alert are quite the same, but alert just shows the message. Confirm it shows the message and asks to press OK or not OK, like yes or no. If you press yes, it will give you true. If you press no, it will give you false. So you will say confirm and ask like want to delete something, yeah? Okay, want to delete. So how it works, let me show you first how it works. If I go and mirror version 2, yeah, if I press delete, it asks, yeah, want to delete, okay or admin, okay or no. If I press no, it will not delete, guys. So mirror is still here. If I again press and press okay, the mirror is gone. You guys? So how this works? When you press admin, this confirm gives you false, and this return false. You mean on submission you return false. It means no, do not submit it because it's returning false. But if it's returned true, if your confirm returns true, it means submit. Yeah, returns true means yeah, you can submit. You can submit this form. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? So we finished.
Can I ask about time? I just noticed that when we change update data, it's not changed.
Yeah, because I created it, not updated. This is creation time, not update time. Normally, guys, in systems, let me say, yeah. Normally in systems, normal systems, we have two columns. One is created at, second is updated at. Normally, but I just didn't do updated. You can use updated at. You can add the second column updated at, and when you do update set equal to equal, there you can update one more. You can again call this date time function, so it changes the date to current date. Okay, it's like easy. In normal systems, it's like that. Also, it has like deleted at, like when it was deleted. Because when in normal systems, when you delete something, it will not delete from database. it will just put deleted at some date for deleted at. If you have a date inside deleted at, it means it's deleted. But it will not delete like from database. It will just put deleted at time. Okay? How it works in normal systems.
Can you check that?
Huh?
Check this.
Block, yeah? Yeah, I have only what? Arjan only left. Ah, you don't believe me?